Hello, 7th graders. So this week we started our new unit, looking at number lines right now. So as I mentioned, we're going to do something a little different on Thursdays and just see how it goes. So we did lesson 1 on Tuesday, lesson 2 on Wednesday, and now Thursday we're going to review both of those lessons. So that will be kind of how every Thursday is going to look for probably the end of the rest of this quarter, and we'll see moving forward, but your assignment will be kind of different, but you'll find out at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and review. So lesson 1, we looked at equations for number lines. So always addition right now. So it says write an equation for each of the diagrams below. Remember to use addition. So we always start at 0. So this one starts at 0, goes to 4. So our first number would be 4. And then we go from 4 back down to 0. So we're subtracting 4, but we're adding. So we're going to subtract a negative 4. So our equation for this one is going to be 4 plus a negative 4. I'm actually going to go back so you can't see the next one real quick. So now this one's kind of the opposite. We're starting at 0, going to negative 4. So we have negative 4 plus something. And then we go back down to 0. So basically just rearrange them. Okay? What about this one? So it says a hydrogen atom has a 0 charge because it has 1 negatively charged electron and 1 positively charged proton. So 0 is going to be what our equals sign is. Our equation equals 0. So what do we do to get there? We have negative 1, because 1 negatively charged, and positive 1, 1 positively charged. So we have negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. Okay? All right, so here we have Kevin. During a football game, Kevin gained 5 yards, so add 5 on the first play. Then he lost 7 yards on the second play, so minus 7. How many yards does Kevin need on the next play to get the team back to where they were when they started? Okay, so we have 5 plus a negative 7 equals a negative 2. And then we have negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. So he needs 2 more yards to get back to that 5 where they started. Or the 0, I guess, too. Okay? So for this one, we're going to find the sums of the following. So a couple with only 2 and some more with 3. So we have negative 2 plus a 9. If you need to use a number line, go ahead and draw one quick to illustrate this. But we have, basically, it's going to be 9 minus 2. What does it give us? 7. Then we have negative 8 plus a negative 8. So we know we're going to continue with that negative number. So we have negative 16. Negative 4 plus a negative 6 plus 10. So we break it down. Negative 10 is what negative 4 plus negative 6 is. Plus 10 is 0. 5 plus 7 gets us to 12. Plus a negative 11 gives us 1. Okay? So that's it. No new assignment. So like I said, this is where we get to the assignment part. No new assignment now for Thursdays. First thing would be to finish any math assignments that you're missing. So whether that's one of these 2 lessons or a different one from this quarter, go ahead and do those first. Next, if you wanted to redo either assignment from these 2 lessons, let me know. I will delete that other submission, and then you can take it again, and whatever the best grade is what you'll get. A lot of you struggled on the math test, so if that would be something you'd be interested in retaking, please let me know, because same thing, I'll give you the better grade. I really just want you to learn what we're doing and to be successful. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in.